Good morning and welcome to Stock Invest. Before markets open today, all eyes are on United States equity futures, which are edging lower amid rising concerns over a looming federal government shutdown. Investors are closely monitoring the tense negotiations in Congress, where Republican and Democratic leaders, along with President Trump, failed to reach a breakthrough on a short-term funding bill. As of early trading, Dow futures have slipped by 79 points, S&P 500 futures dropped by 10 points, and Nasdaq futures declined by 37 points, reflecting cautious market sentiment. Despite Monday's gains, supported by falling Treasury yields and optimism around artificial intelligence, today's mood is tempered by the uncertainty surrounding the government funding. The clock is ticking, with the government shutdown deadline fast approaching. While the House approved a Republican-backed bill, the Senate faces resistance, needing 60 votes to pass the funding. Democrats demand an extension to health care subsidies in exchange for their support, while Republicans accuse them of holding the government hostage, deepening the impasse. Vice President J.D. Vance has even expressed concerns that a shutdown is now highly likely, raising fears of disruptions in key government services and economic data releases. One major concern is the potential delay of Friday's non-farm payrolls report, a critical indicator of United States employment health, which could add volatility to the markets. Meanwhile, investors will receive fresh labor market data today with the release of job openings figures, which serve as a proxy for hiring demand across the economy. Amid the political turmoil, gold prices have surged to fresh record highs, hitting over $3,850 an ounce as traders seek safe havens amid economic uncertainty. The precious metals rally is boosted by expectations of further interest rate cuts from the Federal Reserve and concerns over the shutdown's impact on economic growth. Adding to market uncertainty, President Trump announced new tariffs on imports of lumber, furniture, and kitchen fittings, aiming to boost domestic production. These tariffs, set to take effect on October 14th, include 10% on softwood lumber and timber and 25% on kitchen cabinets and upholstered wooden products, following a Commerce Department investigation. On the corporate front, all eyes are on Nike, which is scheduled to report its quarterly earnings after today's market close amid ongoing efforts to turn around its business. That wraps up our pre-market update. If you want to stay ahead with timely market insights, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell so you never miss an update from Stock Invest.